Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Say goodbye to turbo troubles. The Wynns diesel turbo cleaner. Diesel engines are known for their power and efficiency, but when it comes to maintaining them, the turbocharger is a critical component that often needs attention. Ensuring the optimal performance of your diesel engine's turbocharger is essential for the longevity and efficiency of your vehicle. Introducing Wynns Diesel Turbo Cleaner, a solution designed to address the common issues that can arise with turbochargers. This powerful product offers a simple yet effective way to clean and maintain your diesel engine's turbo, helping to restore performance and improve overall efficiency. By using Wynns Diesel Turbo Cleaner, you can experience benefits such as enhanced vehicle performance, improved fuel efficiency, and prolonged turbocharger life. Say goodbye to sluggish acceleration and reduced power output, and say hello to a smoother, more efficient driving experience. Investing in the maintenance of your diesel engine's turbocharger with Wynns Diesel Turbo Cleaner is a proactive step toward ensuring your vehicle's longevity and performance. With this easy-to-use solution, you can keep your diesel engine running smoothly for miles. The significance of turbocharger maintenance. In diesel engines, the turbocharger plays a pivotal role in enhancing power output and fuel efficiency. By delving into turbocharger maintenance, we uncover its impact on engine performance and longevity. Power and efficiency. A well-maintained turbocharger serves as the engine's secret weapon, boosting power by increasing airflow into the combustion chamber. This surge of air allows for a more seamless combustion process, resulting in optimal fuel consumption and improved efficiency. Picture a turbocharger as the engine's ally, propelling it forward with each burst of power, making every journey thrilling and energizing. Common turbocharger problems. As with any component, turbochargers are prone to issues when neglected. Carbon buildup, akin to clogs in the engine's arteries, restricts airflow and diminishes performance. Oil contamination, like an unwelcome guest, can degrade the turbocharger's components over time. The accumulation of deposits spells trouble, leading to reduced efficiency and potentially costly repairs if left unchecked. Imagine a turbocharger plagued by these problems as a weary traveler struggling to navigate the road ahead, hindered by unseen obstacles. Regular turbocharger maintenance is not just a suggestion, but a necessity for diesel engine owners. By addressing common issues promptly and adhering to a routine maintenance schedule, you pave the way for a smoother, more powerful driving experience. Turbocharger maintenance is not merely a task, it's a proactive measure to ensure your engine's resilience and longevity on the fast-paced journey ahead. Introducing Wynns Diesel Turbo Cleaner. Introducing Wynns Diesel Turbo Cleaner, a powerful solution designed to optimize your engine's performance by effectively tackling carbon deposits, oil residues, and turbocharger issues. Let's delve into the formulation and application of this exceptional product. Product formulation and benefits. Wynns Diesel Turbo Cleaner boasts a unique formulation that targets and dissolves carbon buildup within the turbocharger, enhancing its functionality. This specialized formula penetrates stubborn residues, ensuring a thorough cleaning process. By restoring the turbocharger to optimal condition, this cleaner revitalizes engine performance, leading to improved fuel efficiency and smoother operation. Application and usage instructions. To maximize the benefits of Wynns Diesel Turbo Cleaner, follow these simple steps. Preparation. Ensure the engine is off and cool before application. Locate inlet. Identify the turbocharger inlet for direct access. Application. Spray the cleaner directly into the turbocharger inlet. Let it sit. Allow the product to work its magic for the recommended duration. Safety precautions. Wear protective gear and follow handling instructions carefully. Vehicle specifics. Consider any manufacturer recommendations for application on different vehicle types. By adhering to these usage instructions, you can effectively clean your turbocharger and experience the full benefits of Wynns Diesel Turbo Cleaner. Unlock the potential of your engine with this innovative solution. Benefits of using Wynns Diesel Turbo Cleaner. Maintaining your vehicle's engine is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. One effective way to ensure your diesel engine stays in top shape is by incorporating Wynns Diesel Turbo Cleaner into your regular maintenance routine. Here are the advantages of using this specialized cleaner. Improved engine performance. Using Wynn's diesel turbo cleaner helps remove deposits and carbon buildup from the turbocharger, leading to improved airflow and combustion efficiency. This results in better engine performance, smoother acceleration, and enhanced overall drivability of your vehicle. Enhanced fuel efficiency. By clearing out deposits in the turbocharger system, Wynn's diesel turbo cleaner promotes better fuel combustion. This leads to increased fuel efficiency, allowing you to maximize mileage and reduce fuel consumption, ultimately saving you money at the pump. Prolongs turbocharger lifespan. Regularly using Wynn's diesel turbo cleaner can help extend the lifespan of your turbocharger. By preventing the accumulation of harmful deposits, this cleaner reduces wear and tear on the turbocharger components, preserving its functionality and durability over time. Incorporating Wynn's diesel turbo cleaner into your maintenance routine not only boosts engine performance and fuel efficiency, but also safeguards the longevity of essential components like the turbocharger. Give your diesel engine the care it deserves with the help of this effective cleaner. Customer reviews and testimonials. Customer feedback and testimonials are invaluable when considering the effectiveness of a product like Wynn's diesel turbo cleaner. Let's take a look at some authentic experiences shared by users who have tried this product and their outcomes. Positive results and performance improvements. Tom: I was skeptical at first, but after using Wynn's diesel turbo cleaner, I noticed a significant improvement in my engine's performance. It feels smoother and more responsive now. Sarah: I had issues with my diesel engine's acceleration until I tried Wynn's product. After just one use, I could feel a noticeable difference in power and efficiency. Notable success stories. Mike: I run a small fleet of diesel trucks, and Wynn's diesel turbo cleaner has become a game changer for us. Our fuel efficiency has improved, and we've seen a decrease in maintenance costs since incorporating this product into our routine maintenance. Emily: My old diesel car was losing power and I was considering expensive repairs. Wynn's diesel turbo cleaner not only restored my engine's performance, but also saved me from costly repairs. I'm thrilled with the results. Reading through these testimonials, it's clear that Wynn's diesel turbo cleaner has made a positive impact on many users by enhancing engine performance, improving efficiency, and saving them money on potential repairs. Through our exploration, we have unraveled the essential steps for maintaining turbocharger health and prolonging its lifespan. Remember, neglecting turbocharger care can lead to costly repairs and diminished engine resilience. By incorporating Wynn's diesel turbo cleaner into your maintenance routine, you can stay ahead of potential issues and keep your vehicle running at its peak performance. As we wrap up our discussion, let's reflect on the game-changing impact of turbocharger maintenance on your driving experience. Take charge of your vehicle's well-being by prioritizing turbocharger care and investing in quality products like Wynn's diesel turbo cleaner. Your engine will thank you with improved reliability, fuel efficiency, and overall performance. Stay ahead of the curve and give your vehicle the attention it deserves for a smoother ride and longer engine life. With its powerful cleaning formula, Wynn's diesel turbo cleaner offers a convenient and effective solution to keep your turbocharger in top condition. Say goodbye to performance issues and hello to smoother driving with Wynns. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.